If we look at a theoretical subsea manifold flow loop, Proclad can produce every component, clad the internals, and then assemble it on a custom-made jig to the tightest tolerances. Clad flanges, induction bends, forged T's and elbows, and the fabrication of set-on fittings. There is nothing in this setup that we can't handle, including the engineering design support. To ensure that any assembled spool meets the precise tolerances required in order to integrate into a subsea manifold or similar, it is crucial that the jig supporting the work during makeup reflects the dimensions and orientation of the equipment the spool will be connected to. Flange rotation can occur in a normal jig due to the considerable amount of heat generated during welding. But in a Proclad jig, although flanges can move in a lateral direction, they cannot rotate during welding. To ensure spool weld butts can be made in the 2G position, Proclad jigs can be tilted from the horizontal to the vertical plane to ensure a uniform distribution of heat in the welded joint. When removed from the jig, the spool does not experience any residual stress. If the flanges were not able to move during welding, this could result in springback of approximately 4 mm per flange, making the spool well outside the client's specified tolerances. Proclad is the only company that has manufactured around 300 spools without any failures or mismatches to blocks or equipment. This unique fabrication technique avoids spools having to be pulled into position, thereby reducing the tensile and compressive stresses normally generated in the spools when fitted to subsea locks and manifolds. Proclad is the market leader in achieving the most stringent dimensional tolerances for subsea manifold flow spools.